Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this hair, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Asteria Hair. Shout out to you, Asteria Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their long, it says on their site, long hair wigs for women 16 to 36 inches, water wave human hair invisible wigs. The lengths that they have available is 16 to 36 inches, all even numbers. They have it in a 5x5 HD lace, a 13x4 HD lace, a 13x6 HD lace, and a 13x4 transparent. It says the brand name is Asteria Hair. The product is a water wave HD lace front wig. It is available in 180% density and 250% density. The texture, as I stated, is water wave. The color is in a natural black. And like I stated, with the lace, you can get it in HD invisible lace or a transparent Swiss. And this unit does come in a 22.5 inch circumference, standard medium cap size. So that is pretty. It does say on here, let me go ahead and mention, if a small or large cap size is needed, please contact customer service to help you arrange the customization. So you can have that option as well. And it says it can be dyed or bleached to 27. It comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap in the back. So those are the details with this unit. They did tell me that this one that I have is a 13x4. It is HD lace, and I have it in 22 inches. So those are the details and specs that the company sent. Now this unit did definitely come pre-tweezed. You know, honey, I am not somebody that likes to tweeze. If I can get out of it, I won't do it. Now I did decide to bleach the knots. I have had people ask me, you know, like, how do I know? And that's just if I can see that the knots are pretty dark. If they are, I'll bleach them. And I'm just kind of on that kick these days. So for the most part, most of the units that I wear, I bleach the knots. But honey, that is purely up to you. You can do what you want to. I do want to go ahead and mention that I did end up over bleaching this unit a little bit on the side. I don't know if you can, well, yeah, you can tell. that right there, the hair ended up getting bleached some, which is not a big deal to me now. It used to be like this big thing to me, like, oh my God, I'm scared if I, gonna bleach the hair. It's not a big deal to me nowadays because I always just, I feel like it doesn't look bad. But I want to throw it out there that, it can happen good. Okay, it can definitely happen. So yeah, as far as shedding and tangling with this unit, honestly, the hair, oh my God, y'all. This hair feels so freaking good. Like, just the feel of it. I love a good water wave because I always feel like water wave hair is, it's very, very soft. I feel like it's definitely beach hair. And because it's soft and it may look full, but it's not heavy. So I really love that. And with this unit, I did not experience any shedding or tangling straight out of the packaging. That's not to say, oh girl, won't do none of the things at some point, sis. Just to say that straight out of the packaging, it did not. Now, as far as the baby hairs, I initially wasn't gonna do them, but then I decided to do the kind where I don't cut the hair. Now, I did cut that part, obviously, but the rest of the baby hairs that you see, I did not cut the hair. And I kind of like this sort of look, like this little, it's giving me beach vibes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, those are the details and specs with this unit. As far as the cap size, I do feel like it's big head friendly, but as I stated, you can get this unit if you know you need a larger cap size than the average standard cap. Then I would definitely recommend you guys letting them know when you buy the unit and letting customer service know, like, look girl, that cap size is not gonna fit me, okay? So at least you have that option. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons with this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My con is the same standard con, y'all. It's a 13x4. Honestly, if I had known that I could have got this unit in a 5x5 because I definitely prefer closures. They're just easier to me. I'm a closure girl these days. I would have went for that. But yeah, that is my standard. I have to do like a curve to make sure that, the weft isn't showing. And with me, that has become pretty standard with the 13x4. So that is my con. My pros with this wig is, first of all, I love this texture. I love how soft the hair is. The hair is just like super, super soft, y'all. I love that. I also love that it came pre-tweezed because, like I said, your girl is lazy. And I just love the overall vibe of this hair. Like, those are my pros. Alright, so yes, I would personally recommend this unit. This hair in general, like I said, is just really, really nice hair. And child, I love the beginner friendliness of it. As far as it coming pre-tweezed, is like it makes it baked to me. So I personally would recommend this wig. Alright, honey, so let me give you guys this full 360 and lint check so we can crack this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. Comment down below what you guys think. And also let me know down below, what's your favorite wavy or curly unit texture? Like, let me know down below. I am interested in it, girl. And once again, shout out to you, Asteria Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Let yourself unfold.